Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic accessory kit designed specifically for the AirPods 4th generation. This is the Yoaearmetts compatible with AirPods 4th generation case cover, and it comes packed with some really thoughtful additions. First and foremost, it's crucial to note that this case is exclusively designed for the AirPods 4th generation, ensuring a perfect, snug fit. It boasts 3D 360-degree drop protection, which means those everyday bumps and accidental drops are met with stronger shock resistance, keeping the valuable AirPods safe from impacts. The AirPods 4 charging case itself isn't included, but this cover provides the essential safeguarding. The case itself is crafted from high-quality silicone material. Users will find it incredibly comfortable and soft to the touch, making it a pleasure to handle. Installation and removal are a breeze, and once it's on, it stays put, offering reliable protection without easily falling off. Beyond its protective qualities, the case features a fun and cute cartoon character style, which truly makes any AirPods 4 stand out and adds a unique touch of personality. One of the standout features of this kit is the ultra-strong magnetic anti-loss strap. This isn't just any old strap. It's a new generation design with super strong magnets that provide superior magnetic attraction. When the AirPods aren't in use, this clever strap allows them to be securely locked around the neck, effectively preventing the loss of the earbuds. Its open design ensures that it doesn't interfere with the AirPods' signal or operation. It's easy to install and dismantle, durable and lightweight, making it an ideal companion for anyone who enjoys sports or is frequently on the go, eliminating worries about accidental earbud loss. Portability is also a key consideration here. There's no need to remove the case when charging, which is a huge convenience. Plus, the kit includes a sturdy metal clasp, making it incredibly easy to attach the AirPods case to a handbag, backpack, or even a belt loop, ensuring they're always within reach. And for those who value cleanliness, this kit truly delivers with its 3-in-1 cleaning kit. The cleaning pen features an independent double-ended design, making it incredibly easy to use and store. It's compact and portable, ready to tackle various cleaning needs anytime, anywhere. This versatile tool isn't just for Bluetooth headsets. It's also suitable for cell phones, tablet PCs, and other digital products, making it a truly valuable addition. So, what exactly does one get with this comprehensive package? The kit includes one AirPods 4th Gen case in a vibrant red color, one magnetic anti-loss strap, one cleaning pen, one anti-loss keychain carabiner, and one ring. It's a complete solution designed to protect, secure, and maintain your AirPods 4th generation, all while adding a touch of personal style. This Yoaearmetts kit truly offers a fantastic blend of functionality, protection, and convenience for any AirPods 4 owner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.